Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by dating the check. This establishes when it's valid. Next, write the payee's full legal name on the payee's line so banks can verify the recipient. Then, in the small box, type the numeric amount precisely with cents, for example 123.45. This prevents ambiguity. Once done, move immediately to the written amount to lock in the value. Make sure your handwriting is clear so machines and people can read it. You now write the amount in words across the long line. This is legally binding if the numbers differ, so be explicit. Include the cents as cents over 100. Once finished, fill the memo line with a short purpose. This helps you and the payee reconcile later. Then sign the check exactly as your bank has on file. Without a matching signature, the bank may reject it. Make sure ink is permanent and the signature is consistent every time. You finish by double-checking that the numeric box matches the written line, that the payee name is correct, and that your signature is present. Consistency prevents processing delays. Once satisfied, record the payment in your register or app to keep your balance accurate, then safely deliver or mail the check. If you spot an error after signing, don't cross it out. Instead, write void across the face, keep the voided check, and write a new one. If suspicious alterations appear, notify your bank immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.